So yeah, both my brother and I.
Man, we need to go to our country and fix our own country. We can't just keep fleeing everything. Every time something's going on, we're fleeing. We're going there. We're going.
You're fleeing.
Like, what are we doing? Like, let's stay here and fight. Let's fight. Let's fix this. What's going on? Every time something going on in Haiti, everybody's just picking up, getting their bags and running. Like, where are you going?
Yeah, I can understand. I can understand. There's a safety element to that too.
I know, but who cares, man? Fix it. Fix it. Stop trying to run away from the problems.
You heard it from the man.
It's not gonna fix. If you keep trying to run away from the problems, it's not gonna fix anything. You know what I'm saying? And that's what always gets to me is the fact that every time something going on in Haiti, everybody just get up
and run,
like pick up their bags and flee and run. Like I'm like, why are you running? Like if I was in Haiti, I'd probably stay in Haiti. I know my mom. My grandma brought me here when I was a kid, and it's cool. But if I was in Haiti, as a grown man like that, something was going on, I'd probably be like, I'm staying. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna fight to the end. I'm not running away.
You're seeing the Haitian. You're seeing the spirit of a true Haitian right here. That's what you're hearing.
Real Haitian do. You can't just keep running away from your problems. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah. I mean, we can say a lot more, and I just wanted to share this video with you. You're hearing it from 3 different Haitians. You're hearing it from a Haitian who's just been there for a few months. Yeah. We have no reason to lie to you. All right, so you can believe the news and all the gaslighting, or you can believe the Haitians who don't want to be honest, or you can listen to people who's gonna tell it like it is, and we have nothing to hide. Anyway, thank you for listening. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Like and subscribe if you enjoy what you heard. See you. Have a good one. Bye.